Good evening, everyone. So, in our today's class, we are going to continue with Unit 2 that we have started previously. So, the topics that we have covered in Unit 2 till now are models of e-commerce and infrastructure, supply chain management. These three topics we have covered in Unit 2. Now, we are going to start with product and service digitization and remote servicing. Okay. So, these are the two topics I'll try to cover in our today's class. Okay, now coming to the concept of product, this this is not BBA class, this is MBA SEM1 class for e-commerce. Okay, now starting with the concept of product digitalization. Okay, digitization. So what is meant by product digitization? In simple words, it is converting physical products into digital counterparts, okay, or incorporating digital elements into physical product. So now how you will convert your physical product into digital product or include some digital counterparts in it, we'll see with some examples. Okay, so as of now, you understand that product digitization includes converting your physical products into digital products and or you are including some digital elements into it. You include those digital elements, you include digital elements to make it more accessible, to make it more user friendly, to make it more accessible on online platforms to your customers. Okay, so why you digitalize your product? To scale faster. Scale means grow your product faster, reduce your production cost, and offer more personalized and innovative solutions. Okay. Now we'll understand with examples what is meant by this product digitalization. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, so product digitalization, adding digital capabilities to physical products so that product buyers can interact with the product and get information in the digital format. So one of the method of product digitalization is putting scannable codes or QR codes on your uh, products, where products the customers can scan the codes and sometimes you show them behind the scenes, sometimes you show them the demo of the product, sometimes you give them some offers after scanning the codes. Okay, so it's in short converting your physical product into digital gateway to convey the right marketing message. Okay, so we cover some examples to clarify this concept कि हम physical project product को digital product कैसे बना रहे हैं. What things make our products into digital format. Okay, now in automotive industry, so one example here I mentioned is Tesla smart cars. So these vehicles are equipped with numerous sensors. Okay, it is an AI-enabled sensors, softwares that are installed in these cars. They have cameras. They have softwares that allow for autonomous driving. Autonomous driving is when you are not controlling the steering, but it is automatically being done. Okay, real-time data collection about the traffic, about the road ahead, about the weather ahead, over-the-air software updates. Over-the-air software updates means you're not taking your car to any Tesla office, but updates are being sent by Tesla in your car and the softwares are being automatically updated. ठीक है, जैसे हमारी मोबाइल में updates आते हैं, we are not taking our mobile to service centers regularly for updates. बट वो कंपनी से डायरेक्ट अपडेट्स आते हैं और हमारे मोबाइल में वो अपडेट्स इंस्टॉल हो जाते हैं. So that is known as over the air updates. So this is also one of the method of digitalizing your products. Okay, so these vehicles can be monitored. These vehicles can be monitored and updated remotely, making them examples of highly digitalized products. Okay, so they have softwares, they have AI, they have sensors. So you're making this car into more digitalized product rather than keeping it a traditional physical car. Okay, so what are the digital elements that go into this product are the smart sensors, the connectivity, the data-driven performance. Data-driven performance means looking at the road ahead, automatically the car will adjust its speeds, its gears and all. Okay, so all this make this car a digital car and you have all the smart features in this car. Okay, electronics, we have smart home devices like Alexa, Google Assistant. Like Alexa, आपको देखने में तो एक speaker लगेगा, but it is a smart speaker that listens to your voice commands, that acts according to what you command them. Okay, so अब ये speaker में digital elements क्या क्या गए हैं? It's AI. Okay, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, connectivity, voice recognition. These are the digital elements that are incorporated into this speaker, and this makes the speaker the smart speaker. Okay, and now this product is digitalized. Okay. I hope you're getting the concept of what I mean by digitalization of products. Okay, so if any doubt, just note down the slide. I have not mentioned the slide number. You can mention the title, note it down with you, and in Q&A you can come up with the queries. Okay. Now, next example. See why I'm mentioning so many examples. So, because every company comes up with their own method of digitalizing their product. There is no standard format कि आप product को यही तरीके से digitalize कर सकते हो. Okay, so how innovative you are, how advanced you are in your technology, what products you are selling, accordingly, you can, as a company, you can change your methods of digitalization. That's why I'm covering many examples ताकि आपका concept clear हो what I mean by product digitalization. Okay. Next example, Nike by You, a platform that allows customers to digitally customize their shoes online. Okay. So there is 3D modeling on their website or on their app, जहाँ भी ये Nike by You concept चल रहा है. You can personalize the colors. You can select the colors that you want in your shoes, the pattern, the material before finalizing your purchase. Like you are creating your own shoe. Okay, on their online platform, and then the way you have created the 3D model of your shoe on their platform, accordingly they will make a physical shoe for you and deliver to you. Okay, so what are the digital elements now Nike is using in this concept is 3D modeling. Okay, the images, the 3D modeling of the shoe, where the customers are customizing their shoes. Okay, e-commerce platform they are using to deliver that shoe. You're ordering that shoe online, this customized shoe, and delivering that shoe. Personalized products. Okay. So it's customizable and personalized. You have created a shoe for your own. Okay. So this is digital shoe customization by Nike by You concept. Okay. Next example is wearable health tech like Apple Watch, Fitbit, Noise. There are so many watches that are now smart in nature. Okay, along with showing time, they have many digital elements like they track your personal health, they track your sleep, they track your activities. Okay, so and they have apps connected from your mobile. Yeah, and there is SOS. You can contact anyone in emergencies. Okay, so sensors, health data analytics, app integration, all these facilities are available on these smartwatches. So again, a physical product, simple watch, some digital elements added to it, and it becomes a digital product now. Okay, fashion like augmented reality companies like Zara, IKEA offer AR apps, okay, that allow to customize to virtually try on clothes. Okay, same on Lenskart also. If you have Lenskart app, there also you can try how a particular frame or the entire glass will look on your face. Okay, so and then you can go for purchase. So on the IKEA, you can see how a particular piece of furniture will look at your home. You click the picture of the room where you want to put this furniture, and they will give you an image that वो कैसा लगेगा आपके घर पर. Zara gives an option of trying clothes on you, how that cloth will look on you. So uh, they have this augmented reality 3D product visualization concepts installed in their um, apps. Okay. Now coming to the benefits of product digitalization. It generates trust in customers' mind with product journey and story. So as said, many times companies add a QR code to their product, और कोई QR कोड ऐड स्कैन करके आप प्रोडक्ट की पूरी जर्नी देख सकते हो कि एक कॉफी है, ठीक है, ये कॉफी कैसे बनी, कॉफी बीन्स कैसे आए, कैसे उसको प्रोसेस किया, एंड फाइनली वो कॉफी. सो जब आप बिहाइंड द सीन्स देखते हो ना चीजें, यू बिल्ड मोर ट्रस्ट इन दैट कंपनी एंड यू आर मोर like frequent buyer of that company. This is reality. That's why these days, even on Instagram or their stories, they show behind the scenes so that customers become the part of the product journey. Okay. Brands can show product journey and story on scan of the product code. Okay. This helps in increasing the customers' trust. Convey dynamic information to your users. So product digitalization presents an opportunity for the to users without the need for change in the product codes. Okay. So here you can give them information in the regional languages. Okay, where the code is being scanned. Depending upon that, you can display the information in that particular regional language. Collect and access product interaction information in real time. So with the help of product digitalizations, brand can collect user real time data. Okay, this data can help contribute to make crucial business decisions. So here you have a track of your customers, how many customers are visiting your website, or like what they are looking for. Accordingly, you can change the uh, uh, your trend, or you can plan your manufacturing process. So it helps in counterfeiting, like no duplicates can come of your product when you have your code as the proof. People can scan and identify whether this product is genuine or duplicate. Okay. Customer engagement, product digitalization open new channels to engage users. So with product digitalization, we are more interacting with the company, be it the software updates, be it the cars, be it mobiles, be it our watches. Now we are in touch with that company. They send us notification, they send updates. Okay, it's good for environment also. Okay, when things are going from paper to digital mode, always you are protecting your environment by saving paper. Okay, now as we have product digitalization, in same manner we have service digitalization also. Product is the tangible goods, mobile, TV, laptops, watches, cars. Okay, anything that you can touch, you can see, you can feel, that is your tangible product. But there are purchases we make that we cannot touch, we cannot see, we cannot take it at our home. These are intangible purchases. These are our services. One of the example, the lecture. You have paid for a particular course and you are attending these lectures. Okay, so this is an intangible thing. Okay, something that you cannot see but you can experience. You can attend the lectures, you can gain the knowledge, you can gain the experience. So this is a kind of intangible products that is being delivered online. Okay, so service digitalization refers to the process of transforming traditional service offering into digital formats. by leveraging technology to improve delivery efficiency and customer experience and accessibility. Okay, so with services being digitalized now, customers are at benefit, like you have 24 by 7 customer service available. You have contacts, emails and contacts where you can be in touch with the customer, with the company, and get your query solved. It involves integrating digital tools, platforms, and data to streamline operations, enhance customer interaction, and enable automation or remote access. Okay. Service digitalization can occur across industries. So service digitalization is not specific to one industry. There are many industries that have digitalized their services. Okay, we'll discuss some examples of service digitalization also. It including healthcare, financial, retail. Okay, some key components of service digitalization. The first is automation. Okay, automating routine services processes like using AI, machine learning, and robotic processes. Examples include chatbot for customer service. Nowadays, when you call any bank customer service, many banks have robots speaking. Okay, robots guiding you for common questions, but still your query is not solved. Then they take you to the customer service executives. Okay, online platforms like offering services through online portals, mobile apps, or cloud-based platforms. Okay, so these are the components of service digitalization. So there are online platforms where these services are being offered. There are health and fitness related apps where they teach you about nutrition, fitness, exercise, yoga. There are apps that give you education like uh, Zerodha and all. Okay, Udemy. So there are apps that deliver these services online. Okay. Data analytics using data from customer interactions to optimize services, provide personalized experience, and predict customer needs. Okay, so you can forecast the demand using these tools. Okay, these data analytics tool will gather the past sales data, the current market trends, and they can give you an approximation about the future sales, about the future business, or you can forecast your demand. Remote delivery. Remote delivery means delivery at your home or wherever you are available. Now, this lecture is being delivered, but you can access this lecture whether you are traveling, whether you are in office or at your home, but you get a remote delivery of this lecture. It's not that you have to come to classroom to attend this lecture. So from your, as per your convenience, you can attend this live lecture, you can ask your queries. Okay, there are many self-service options allowing customers to manage their own needs through online portals like banking websites. So if you want to create a FD, if you want to break FD and transfer your money into saving account, if you want to invest in mutual funds, buy insurance policies, there are so many services. For earlier we were dependent on people for these services. Now these services are available on a digital platform, and that too self-service. Okay, so I want to buy insurance policy this day. I don't need an agent. Okay, if I'm not like if I'm aware which policy is best suitable for me, I can buy insurance policy by myself on an online portal of LIC or whatever insurance company. Okay, same with for other services also. Okay, I don't need a yoga instructor to teach me yoga. There are online videos, there are self-service videos available that can teach me the things. Okay, so self-service options are there to transfer funds, to receive funds. You can manage most of these things by yourself. You are not dependent on any employee of bank or any financial institution to cater to these needs. Okay. Now coming to some examples of service digitalization. So banking and financial services. So digital banking apps like Revolt, PayPal, or traditional banking or banks offering mobile banking. So banking and financial services were one of the cases of service digitalization. See, open your account in any bank, be it government bank, private bank, cooperative बैंक, ठीक है. जैसे ही आप अपना अकाउंट ओपन करते हो, they give you a kit. That kit contains your login credentials for their app, for their website. This means now many of their services you can avail through their app, through their website. You don't need to visit branch for each and every service. Okay, so many of the like this is one of the example of banking. In financial services, we have mutual funds company, LIC companies, we have mobile wallets like GPay, Paytm, where you can transact your financial needs on these apps. Okay. Now, in healthcare also, healthcare is also one of the crucial service. Okay, in healthcare also the things are gone in online platform like telemedicines platforms like Practo. Practo is an app. They have website also where you can find search a doctor for you. Okay, fix his appointment if you want to consult offline or if you want to consult online over the Zoom or some other platform. You can consult with that doctor online also. You can chat, you can video call them through this app. Okay, so eliminating the need for in-person visit. So there is no need that every time for a consultation you need to visit a doctor. There are apps through which you can search doctor for yourself, you can book appointment and you can consult online with them. Okay, so digital features include virtual consultations, electronic medical records of the patients, remote monitoring. Okay, doctors every time now patients don't need to be hospitalized. Okay, doctors can monitor patient even if the patient is at home. There are some softwares, there are some machines which helps doctor to monitor some patients which are in crucial state. Okay, AI diagnosis and health apps for tracking your wellness. So there are many apps. Healthcare is also a part of service, and it has also been taken into digitalized mode. Retail and e-commerce. So companies like Amazon uh, have transformed retailing by offering e-commerce platforms. Okay, so Amazon is the pioneer in this industry that has taken the retail business to an online platform. Otherwise, retailing business was only confined to the offline shops. Okay, so what are the digital features or digital elements here? Online shopping platforms, virtual fitting rooms, personalized recommendations, and mobile payments. Okay, education, as we have already discussed, education is also digitalized. We have platforms, Coursera by Google, Udemy. Okay, they provide virtual classes, virtual lectures. You can have certification courses done virtually. Hospitality, hotel booking apps like booking.com, Make My Trip. Okay, all these uh, help you to search for accommodation, book rooms, and even check in digitally. Okay. So the digital features that these portals are giving you is online booking, contactless check-in, checkouts. Okay, digital coincidence service like they give you a service tour like what are the famous tourist point, virtual tours. Okay, so hospitality is also one of the service that has taken a digital form these days. Okay, now coming to next topic. So we have covered the topic of product digitalization and service digitalization. Okay, now we'll move to next topic that is remote servicing. So at the start of the lecture, we just talked about remote servicing. इस क्या होता है with the help of our mobile. ठीक है, मोबाइल का एक एग्जाम्पल जैसे मोबाइल में frequent updates आते हैं नए and that are sent थ्रू एयर ऑन अवर मोबाइल। ठीक है, सॉफ्टवेयर वहां से अपडेट इशू होता है और हमारे मोबाइल में वो अपडेट्स इंस्टॉल हो जाते हैं। सो वी आर नॉट टेकिंग अवर मोबाइल टू एनी कस्टमर केयर सेंटर और कंपनी, बट दीज अपडेट्स आर कमिंग ऑटोमेटिकली। सो ये जो सर्विस हमको मिल रही है घर बैठे, दैट इज नोन एज रिमोट सर्विसिंग, जिसके लिए आपको कहीं जाना नहीं पड़ रहा है। ओके, सो दैट इज एग्जाम्पल ऑफ रिमोट सर्विसिंग. So it's also known as remote service delivery or remote maintenance. It refers to the process of providing services or support to customers or systems without requiring physical presence. Okay, so without you being physical present there or the employee of that company being physical present, the service is being delivered. So it leverages digital tools, the internet and technology to remotely diagnose, monitor, repair or assist with the product or service issues. So this practice has become increasingly prevalent with advancement in cloud computing, automation. Okay. So some features of remote servicing includes remote monitoring and diagnostic. Using IoT sensors and real-time data analysis, service providers can remotely monitor the performance of machines, equipments, or systems. Okay, as I gave you examples of Tesla cars, they can, from their company, they can monitor the cars that are running on the roads because of the softwares they have installed in the cars, and they can give you the messages that your car is about to break down, you need a maintenance, you need some repairs. Okay, not only in cars but in big industrial machines also, these things are very common कि कंपनी के लोग आपको बता सकते हैं कि आपकी मशीन अभी खराब होने वाली है, some parts need to be replaced, because they are monitoring it, they have some softwares installed and they are continuously monitoring and looking of your machines and tools. Okay. Virtual assistance and troubleshooting. So service teams use remote communication tools like video calls, augmented reality, like augmented reality का एग्जांपल मैंने आपको IKEA, Zara इसका दिया, or remote desktop applications. Okay, to guide customers through troubleshooting. So sometimes you give your access of your laptop, your desktop to the engineers or to the people who want to solve the issue, and they are maybe located in some other place. You are at other place, and they may solve the problem in your laptop. Okay, they don't need you don't need to physically get your laptop to that service station. Okay, so you can give them the access to your access of your laptop, like Anytime Desk is one of the app, or there are many apps through which you can give access to other persons of your laptop, of your mobile. They can operate your laptop from their place. Okay. Software updates and patching. So for software driven products, companies can deploy remote updates, जैसे हमारे मोबाइल में अपडेट्स आते हैं, लैपटॉप में आते हैं, स्मार्ट टीवीज में भी अपडेट्स आते हैं. ठीक है, and they can fix the patches, bugs without requiring the physical intervention of a technician. Predictive maintenance, as I told you, like these people are monitoring and they predictively predictively means before the machine breakdowns, they can warn us that we need to repair, we need to do certain things in order to prevent the breakdown of machines. Remote operations. Remote servicing can also enable the operation of machine systems or network from distance, minimizing the need for on-site in personal industries like manufacturing or energy. Okay, so remotely you can operate the machines also. Okay, it's not necessary that you have to be physically present there to operate some machine. You can on off machines remotely. Okay, there are ACs also these days available, like you can switch on the AC even when you are not at home, and you can switch it off. Or remotely servicing them. Remote servicing is very common in IT, where technical support teams can access the user's system remotely. Okay, so someone at other place can access your laptop, your desktop, your mobile, and they can get the services done. So some industrial equipments, as I have already given some examples like turbines, factory robots, used in many of the Amazon warehouses use robots. Okay, for maintaining the warehouse, for stacking the goods or offloading, onloading the goods. So these robots can be maintained remotely. The people who are supplying these robots, the company, they have continuously monitor, they update their softwares, they can remotely give maintain and reduce the downtime. Downtime means when the machines actually break down and you have to wait for their repair. Okay, so you can reduce this downtime by remotely maintaining these services. Okay, in healthcare also professionals they provide consultations, diagnosis and follow-ups via video calls, eliminating the need for patients to visit the hospital facilities in person. Reach a broad reach customers and drive sales. The flexibility, targeting capabilities, and cost effectiveness of online marketing make it a critical component of modern business strategy. Okay, the flexibility means now see if you are advertising on TV, even for few seconds you have to pay such high prices. The TV advertisements, radio advertisement, newspaper, they are very costly. Okay, but once you create your own Instagram page, you have full flexibility. जितना लंबा आपको ऐड चलाना है उस पे, जितनी लंबी आपको स्टोरी दिखानी है लोगों को, you have full flexibility there. Okay, because it is free of cost and though the reach is minimum, TV की reach ज्यादा है, इसकी reach कम है. ठीक है, but you have the flexibility of creating ad in the manner as and how you like. Okay, targeting capabilities, you reach your target customers directly. ठीक है, now for example if I'm selling makeup products, ठीक है, और मैंने किसी ऐसे इन्फ्लुएंसर को हायर किया, दैट इन्फ्लुएंसर इज से रनिंग मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल्स और वो अपने पेज पे मेकअप सिखाती है बेसिकली. ठीक है, और अब उसको मैंने कहा कि आप मेरे मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स एंडोर्स करो अपने पेज पे. सो जितने भी लोग उसको फॉलो करते हैं, 1 मिलियन 2 मिलियन, दे आर फॉलोइंग दिस इन्फ्लुएंसर. दैट मीन्स दे आर इंटरेस्टेड इन मेकअप. ठीक है, आप जिस चीज में इंटरेस्ट होता है आपका, चाहे वो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स हो, चाहे वो मेकअप हो, चाहे वो फिटनेस हो, तो आप उन लोगों को फॉलो करते हो वेयर यू आर इंटरेस्टेड. नाउ पीपल हु आर फॉलोइंग दिस मेकअप इन्फ्लुएंसर ऑब्वियसली दे आर इंटरेस्टेड इन मेकअप. तो इससे क्या हो रहा है, मैं एज अ मेकअप कंपनी आई एम डायरेक्टली रीचिंग टू द पीपल हु आर इंटरेस्टेड इन माई प्रोडक्ट्स. ठीक है, माई एडवर्टाइजिंग एफर्ट्स आर नॉट गोइंग वेस्टेड. So just by hiring some influencers who are endorsing the products that I'm selling, or they are having Instagram pages, Facebook pages related to my product, I can hire them and they can talk about my product on their pages. Okay, so people who are following tech pages, okay, technology related pages, they are interested in gadgets, they are interested in new technology. That's why they are following such people. And if I hire such people for launching my new product, and also I'm directly reaching my target customers. ठीक है, तो टारगेटिंग कैपेबिलिटीज बढ़ जाती है विद दिस थिंग कि आपको अपने टारगेट कस्टमर्स ढूंढने नहीं पड़ते हैं, आपको डायरेक्ट अपने टारगेट कस्टमर्स इन इन्फ्लुएंसर्स के पास मिल जाते हैं. ठीक है, cost effectiveness we have already discussed, like you don't have to spend so much as you're spending on the traditional modes like TV, radio, newspapers. Okay, so if you're running your own page, that is free of cost, but even if you're hiring these influencers, they are not as costly as these traditional modes. Okay, next online marketing is SEO. SEO, have we discussed SEO in our last class? No. Okay, ठीक है. SEO, I think I'll start in next class. स्प्रेक्टो एंड ऑल, जहां आप डॉक्टर से ऑनलाइन कंसल्ट कर सकते हो कि आप जहां भी हो, अपने ऑफिस में हो, कहीं भी हो, आप डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट कर सकते हो। दैट इज रिमोट सर्विसिंग। दूसरा एग्जांपल दिया, हमारे मोबाइल पे अपडेट्स आते रहते हैं रेगुलरली, तो मोबाइल को हम कहीं सर्विस स्टेशन या कस्टमर केयर में लेके नहीं जा रहे हैं, वो कंपनीज वहां से अपडेट शूट करके हमारी मोबाइल में खुद ही इंस्टॉल हो जाते हैं एंड अवर मोबाइल अपग्रेड्स। सो दैट इज रिमोट सर्विसिंग। These are two examples. If you have more doubts, you can ask. रिमोट डिजिटलाइजेशन ऐसा कोई कंसेप्ट हमने नहीं किया। वी हैव कवर्ड प्रोडक्ट डिजिटलाइजेशन, सर्विस डिजिटलाइजेशन एंड रिमोट सर्विसिंग। लोन, सॉरी, यू कैन अवेल बोथ द सर्विसेज इन बैंक। ठीक है, आप पैसे भी डिपॉजिट कर सकते हो बैंक में जाके, आप लोन भी ले सकते हो बैंक से। बट एनबीएफसी और फाइनेंशियल कंपनीज वो आपको कोई भी एक सर्विस देगी, जैसे हाउसिंग फाइनेंस कंपनी हो गई, तो हाउसिंग फाइनेंस कंपनी से आप लोन ले सकते हो, आप हाउसिंग फाइनेंस कंपनी में जाके पैसे नहीं डिपॉजिट कर सकते हो। ठीक है, सो दोनों में से एक सर्विस आपको एनबीएफसी देगी। बट बैंक एक ऐसी जगह है जहां सेम प्लेस पे आप डिपॉजिट भी कर सकते हो, लोन भी ले सकते हो। इंश्योरेंस भी एनबीएफसी में आता है। तो इंश्योरेंस में क्या होता है, हम हर महीने या हर क्वार्टर प्रीमियम भरते हैं, वी आर डिपॉजिटिंग मनी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ प्रीमियम। बट हम इंश्योरेंस कंपनी से लोन नहीं ले सकते। ठीक है, सो दैट इज एनबीएफसी। The PPTs along with the lectures are being uploaded on your portal. Sachin, I'm not able to find you in the participant list. You raise your hand, then I'll unmute you. I'll show the slides. Okay, personalization of the product I have already explained, like Nike shoes का example दिया।
हेलो मैडम।
Yes, Sachin, tell me.
हेलो मैडम, सत श्री अकाल मैडम। वाਹਿਗੁਰੂ जी फतेह, वाਹਿਗुਰੂ जी खालसा। तुस किਵੇਂ हो
सचिन, पंजाबी नहीं आती है मुझे।
ਮੈਡਮ? ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਵਿੱਚ ਹਿੰਦੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਮੈਡਮ। ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਵੈਸੇ ਹੀ ਬਦਨਾਮਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ, ਮੈਂ ਕਰੰਚ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ।
ओके।
चलो मैडम, समझ में आ जाती है। तुसी कंफर्टेबल हिंदी मेरे ध्यान ਨਾਲ सुनो यहाँ से बीच में। मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ मैडम, मैंने सब्जेक्ट जो लिए थे मैंने वो ऑनलाइन मोड के मैंने पीडीएफ तो डाउनलोड कर लिया था मैडम। तो हमारी
हम्म।
मैम ये रिकॉर्डिंग थी कि मैं ऑफलाइन सब्जेक्ट जो इसके वो बुक नहीं होती है जो रेगुलर की बुक होती है, तुसी आप जानती हो हार्ड कॉपी जो आपने भी पढ़ी होंगी मैडम, एमबीए में, बीबीए में, पीएससी में, जब तुसी
हम्म।
किंदी हो आप। तो मैम
हम्म।
हमें हमारी ये एक कंफ्यूजन है, तो मैम तुसी दूर करनी है मैम, आपको डिस्टेंस करनी है कंफ्यूजिंग। तो मैम हमारी ये कंफ्यूजिंग है मैम, जो रेगुलर के सब्जेक्ट है वो तुसी पढ़ सकते हो क्योंकि सब्जेक्ट तो मैच कर गए मैम, लेकिन वो है कि यूनिवर्सिटी के जो तुसी वो नहीं होते हैं, तो वो सब्जेक्ट राइटर, तो तुसी राइटर अलग है मैडम। तो हमारी ये गल है कि आप मैम थोड़ा मदद कर दो, तुसी हेल्प कर देंगे हो, सहायता तो आडे हिंदी विच बोलते हैं।
व्हाट मतलब आपको हेल्प क्या चाहिए, कि आपको नोट्स कहाँ से रेफर करने हैं, वो हेल्प चाहिए।
हाँ नोट्स नहीं, मैंने ये मोतिया बाजार ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ देहरादून जिला पड़ जाती है, ये ਇੱਥੇ मंगवा देती है। बुक सेलर का नाम है अमर बुक डिपो, आप भी जानती होंगे, अमर बुक डिपो है। ये मोती बाजार में है, ये देहरादून जिले ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। हाँ जी मैम। तो ये वहां से मैंने ऑर्डर करी है, 3 किताब तो मेरी ऑर्डर हो चुकी है, किताब बुक। एक का नाम है प्रैक्टिकल एंड मैनेजमेंट, दूसरे का नाम है इको सॉरी दूसरे का नाम है बिजनेस गवर्नमेंट, तीसरा का नाम है प्रिंटिपल प्रैक्टिस मैनेजमेंट।
ओके, तो
हाँ
आपको
तो मैं
ऑथर्स के नाम चाहिए, किस ऑथर्स की बुक रेफर करनी है।
मतलब ये कि अदर राइटर की बुक पढ़ सकते हैं, अदर यूनिवर्सिटी की पढ़ सकते हैं, क्योंकि सब्जेक्ट तो मैच कर जाता है,
हाँ
क्योंकि वो
हाँ, सब्जेक्ट देखो, यहाँ पे चीज है कि आपके कंसेप्ट क्लियर होना चाहिए।
अच्छा।
अगर मैं प्रोडक्ट डिजिटलाइजेशन की बात करी तो आपको क्लियर होना चाहिए कि वो क्या है, चाहे वो किसी भी ऑथर ने लिखा हो। कोई एक
हम्म,
ऑथर आपको आपको जो लैंग्वेज इजी लगे आप वो बुक रेफर करो। हाँ, आपको
नहीं वो
एलएमएस।
हाँ इंग्लिश पंजाबी तो उसी मैंने समझ में आ जाती है क्योंकि मैं पंजाब से हूँ। मैं यूपी में, मेरा एक पिंड मेरा यूपी में है, एक पिंड मेरा पंजाब में है। आपसे
ओके।
300 किलोमीटर दूर में डिस्टेंस है मेरा। मेरा है जिला गौतम नगर, दिल्ली एनसीआर। आपने सुनी भी होगा, ग्रेट नोएडा जिला गौतम नगर। वहाँ पे शारदा यूनिवर्सिटी बड़ी बड़ी।
कवर हो रहे हैं, आपको वो लैंग्वेज समझ में आ रही है उनकी, तो आप वो रेफर कर सकते हो। हम एग्जाम में ये नहीं देखते कि आपने हमारे नोट्स में से लिखा है या कोई पर्टिकुलर बुक में से लिखा है। सो एज अ टीचर हम जब एग्जाम में आपका पेपर चेक करेंगे, हम देखेंगे कि आपके कंसेप्ट कितना क्लियर है।
हम्म 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 हम्म।
ठीक है, तो ऑथर जो आपको इजी लगे, आपको लगे सिंपल लिखा हुआ है, एग्जाम्पल्स दिए हुए हैं, चाहे आप चैट जीपीटी का यूज करो, गूगल का यूज करो, आपको जहां से इजी नोट्स मिले आप वहां से रेफर कर सकते हो।
लेकिन मैडम तुसी मैंने वे चाहिए कि ऑर्डर का तो मैंने दे दिया, 2 किताब रेडी है, 2 किताबों का ऑर्डर दे दिया मैंने कुरियर ਦੇ ਨਾਲ। मैंने देहरादून जिले ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ मोती बाजार या अमर बुक डिपो से। हाँ तो
हम्म।
मैम दिन में मेरी 2 किताब और आ जाएंगी। ई कॉमर्स के, एक है आप भी जानती होंगी, अकाउंटेंट मैनेजर डिसीजन, वो किताब बुक है। तो मैं बुक को मैं सिलेबसों से मैं मैच करके देख रहा हूँ यूनिटी को, क्योंकि वो भी इंग्लिश में ही है। क्योंकि एमबीए तो ऑलरेडी ब्रिज पता है कि इंग्लिश में सब्जेक्ट है, हिंदी में कुछ नहीं है। हाँ मैम। तो मैम मैं काफी दिन से टाइम से आपसे उसी गल्ला करने की ये चीज इच्छा ना थी मेरी ਵਿੱਚ कि एक बार मैम से पूछ के ना मैं देखिया सी मैंने कि सब सब्जेक्ट रिगार्डिंग। तो आपसे आज पहली बार ना मुलाकात ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ हो जाती है मैंने ਵਿੱਚ मेरी।
ओके, थैंक यू सचिन। अभी हम लेक्चर वाइंड करते हैं, और कोई क्वेरीज यू कैन टाइप इन चैट बॉक्स।
नहीं मैम और कोई इंक्वायरी बस तुसी यही कौन करी, क्योंकि ज्यादा मैं किसी का टाइम नहीं वेस्ट करता मैडम। तो और
ओके,
भी करना चाहते हैं।
थैंक यू सचिन। चलो, विल
धन्यवाद।
वाइंड अप दिस लेक्चर हियर।
ओके मैम।
ओके, थैंक यू।
Recording stopped.